Hi everyone, welcome to Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Today we're gonna make fried rice with pineapple, bacon, and shrimp. Now let's have a look at today's ingredients. First, leftover rice. You can either cook it yourself or the leftover rice from Chinese restaurant. Those are all fine. Eggs. The amount of people who's gonna eating dictated the amount of the egg I'm gonna use. These are the side ingredients: sweet corns, cucumbers, carrot, and a little bit bacon. Little shrimps and pineapple. First, let's cut up the pineapple. Oh, finally! Let's put it aside. Since we're gonna use this as a container, so we're gonna cut the core out. Oh. Okay, container is ready. Now let's cut pineapple into little pieces. After heating the pan, let's first put the bacon in it. Let's give it a minute until the oil in bacon is out. After take the bacon out, let's use the leftover oil and cook the shrimp really quick. Add a little bit of garlic salt to give it flavor. Since it's already cooked, we don't need to cook it so long. Let's take it out. Next, we use the leftover oil to cook the egg. Now it's time to add the rice. Slightly press the rice. Let it separate from each other. Leftover rice always got a little bit dry. Let's go ahead and add a little bit water to it to give it some moisture. Now let's add the vegetables and cooked bacon into it. Add some salt to it. Now let's add some soy sauce. Now let's try the flavor. It's pretty good. Turn the fire to medium. And the last step, let's put the pineapple and shrimp to it. Give it a final taste. Pretty good. Finished. Last step, put your fried rice into this pineapple container. Let it absorb the juice of the pineapple. We're all set. This is a pineapple fried rice with shrimp and bacon. Let's welcome our special guest taster, Shirley, and let's see what she thinks of this dish. Shirley.
Hi.
How is it?
This is really, really good. Thank you for letting me try this.
I'm glad you like it.
I do. I love it.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for cooking with me. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.